Good morning, students. Today, this is the fourth class of Cost and Management Accounting 2, and my portion of discussion is, you all know that, process costing. In my first class, I am just recapitulating all my classes till now. First class, I have discussed about the basic introduction, concepts. Next class, I have discussed with you the process costing, the theories of process costing, what are the criteria required, what are the types. In my just previous class, third class, I have solved one sum with you all. Today, this is my fourth class. I will solve further some illustrations. I will move on to process costing at least 10 lectures, right? 10 to 12 lectures, right? So today I am going to solve the sum which I have already provided you in your PDF, which is illustration number 3. If you go through the sum, it says that Y Limited produce a single product which undergoes two processes. It goes through two processes while producing one product. একটা প্রোডাক্ট তৈরি করতে গিয়ে দুটো প্রসেসের মাধ্যম দিয়ে যাচ্ছে, সেটাই বলেছে Y Limited. From the following information, prepare process account, normal loss account, abnormal loss account and abnormal gain account. এই ইনফরমেশনের মাধ্যম দিয়ে তোমাকে কি করতে বলেছে? তোমাকে নর্মাল লস অ্যাকাউন্টও যদি হয় নর্মাল লস অ্যাকাউন্টও করতে হবে, অ্যাবনর্মাল লস যদি হয় অ্যাবনর্মাল লস করতে হবে, অ্যাবনর্মাল গেইন যদি বেরোয় কোনো প্রসেসে সেই প্রসেসেরও অ্যাবনর্মাল গেইন অ্যাকাউন্ট করতে হবে, প্লাস তোমাকে প্রসেস অ্যাকাউন্টগুলোও করতে হবে, মানে প্রসেস এ, প্রসেস বি, এছাড়াও আরও 3টে অ্যাকাউন্ট। যদি লস বেরোয় তাহলে লস অ্যাকাউন্ট হবে, গেইন অ্যাকাউন্ট হবে না। যদি গেইন আর লস দুটোই বেরোয় তাহলে abnormal loss, abnormal gain account করতে হবে, plus normal loss account করতে হবে. So this is a new one, right? So we will start doing like that. In the previous class I have discussed how should be done. সমস্ত রকম direct cost, all the direct cost materials should be come under process account. So in the books of Y, the books of Y Limited, process A account, right? Process A account in the books of Y Limited. This is sum number 3. This is sum number 3. So debit, particulars, units, rupees, particulars, units and rupees, right? This is credit. So raw material introduced has been given 3000 units. রেটটা তোমাকে আলাদা করে আর ক্যালকুলেট করতে হবে না, you do not require to calculate rate separately, but if you want you can calculate one another extra column by putting a rate column. তুমি যদি মনে করো একটা এক্সট্রা কলম করে রেট কলম বসিয়ে করতেই পারো, বাট লাগে না। 3000 unit, 15,000 rupees. If you divide 15,000 by 3,000, you will get, right, 5 rupees per each. Okay, two materials. Two materials, how much? Or two raw materials, whatever. 15,000, 3,000 units. Okay, so 15,000 is your rupees. Additional materials, additional material বলে দিয়েছে 1000, so I am taking 1000. Direct wages in process A 14,000, unching direct wages 14,000, right? Production overhead 3000 বলে দিয়েছে, production overhead 3000, right? Okay, normal loss 10% of the input, 10% means 3000 at 10%. So by normal loss account, %10 of 3000 units. Rate বলে দিয়েছে, scrap value rate, which is ₹2. So at the rate ₹2 per unit. So 3000 10% means 300 units, and 300 into 2 means 600, right? and output process B is 2800. See, output 2800. So I am making a process B by process B account. Unit 2800. See, তুমি যদি calculate করো, if you calculate the units column, it is coming 3100, and over here it is 3000. Means abnormal gain. Over here 100 unit is short in the debit side, so it is a gain. So to abnormal gain account, balancing figure 100 unit. Okay, 3100 to hoye gelo. Okay, but what about the rate? The same way you need to calculate the rate. Working note 1, cost per unit of process A account. Formula ki chilo? What was the formula? Total cost of the process minus scrap value realized. Total cost of the process, total cost of the process minus scrap value realized, whole divided by units introduced, minus normal loss units. Normal loss units, which is 300. So কিভাবে করছি? Total cost of the process 15,000 plus 1,000, 16,000, 16,000 plus 14,000, 30,000 and 33,000. So 33,000 minus 600 divided by 3,000 minus 300 means 32,400 divided by 2,700. So rupees 12 per unit. So rupees 12 per unit. So 12 per unit means at the rate rupees 12 per unit. So if you multiply it at the rate rupees 12 per unit of 2,800 units, it is coming 33,600. আর এটাকেও তুমি যদি ব্যালেন্স ফিগার করে দাও বা 12 per unit দিয়েও যদি করো, multiply, if you multiply then it is 100 into 12 means 1200. So if you add 1200, it is coming 34,200, and it is obviously 34,200. Okay, this is process A. Now move on to process B. Process B, right? The same manner I will do it. Same manner. This is working note 1, working note 2 we need to do also. Okay, so transfer the again to process A account, 2,800 units and amount is 33,600. Okay, material is there. To material 780, the additional one, additional material 780. Direct wages, it's 20,000. Production overhead 7,500. Overhead you can write short wage, which is 7,500. Normal loss 5% of the units. Units is 2,800. So by normal loss account, 5% of 2,800 units at the rate how much? It is given rupees 5 per unit. So 5% of 2800 means 140 units, 5 টাকা করে 5 rupees, so it is coming 700. And how much it is transferred? Final product means finished goods, it is transferred to 2600. So 5 finished goods or stock. I am writing stock account, okay? 2600. See, 2600 plus 140, it is coming 2740, but here it is 2800, right? So how much unit is shortage in the credit side? কত unit short আছে? 2740 minus 2800, 60 units আমার abnormal loss হলো, balancing figure by abnormal loss account, balancing figure. I am writing in short, 60 units, right? Total is 2800, no doubt about it. Now you need to calculate the rate. I am doing over here due to shortage of space. Working note number 2. This is process B. Total cost of the process minus scrap value realized by units introduced minus normal loss units. Okay. So total cost of the process is 61,080 minus scrap value realized is 700 minus 2800 divided by 2800 minus 140. So it is 61,180. 61,180 whole divided by 2,640. 660. 2,660. Okay. It is coming rupees 23 per unit. So at the rate rupees 23 per unit. 2,600 into 23, it is coming 59,800. And you can do the balancing figure. Balancing figure করে আমার abnormal lossটা কিন্তু বেরিয়ে যাবে। আমি লেস করে দিই, তাহলে আমার বের হচ্ছে 1380, right? This is process A and process B account. Now what you want to do? Abnormal loss, abnormal gain as well as normal loss account. Okay, এরপরে আমাকে abnormal loss, abnormal gain করতে হবে, আর করতে হবে আমাকে normal loss account. তাহলে আমি abnormal loss accountটা করব। উপরেরটা মুছছি। Just keep in mind what is the normal loss you have calculated and what is the abnormal loss you need to calculate. Okay. So first is abnormal loss. Now, abnormal gain account, because you have calculated abnormal gain in process A. The same matter, particulars, units, rupees, particulars, units and rupees. This is credit, this is debit. So by process A account, because gain has been in process A, so by process A account 100 units at the rate 12 each means 1200. Okay. So normal loss কি হয়েছিল process A তে? Process A তে আমার 100 units ছিল normal loss, but the scrap value rate is rupees 2. So 2 normal loss account 100 units at the rate rupees 2 per unit. So unit is 100, obviously, because it won't change. Our normal loss process A was 300, but as I have process A's abnormal gain 100 unit, I will take 100 unit and the rate will take as the scrap value. আমি scrap value রেটটাকে নেব, সেটা 2 টাকা করে, তাহলে 200 হলো, and the remaining will be transferred to costing profit and loss account. What? Costing profit and loss account balancing figure, which is 1000. It is closed, right? Closed. Next comes abnormal loss account. I'm not doing the format anymore, just putting the value, right? Just putting the value. See, all these debit credit units is there. Abnormal loss, you have in process B, what? 60 units, 1380. So 2 process B account, 60 units, 1380. So how much it will transfer? 60 units will transfer, and the rate is ₹5, right? Rate is ₹5. So how it will transfer? By cash or debtors. By cash or debtors. 60 units at the rate ₹5, which is the scrap value. So 60 into 5 means 300, and the remaining will be costing fuel by costing profit and loss account. So how much? It is 108. Right? Now it is your turn to do the normal loss account. How will be the normal loss? Maximum another finished stock account will ask you. But this is basically the main type of stuff, normal loss account. Right? You see, in process A, you are getting a normal loss of 300 units at a cost of 2 per unit. So, by normal loss it was there, so I am transferring it to process A account. কত unit ছিল? 300 unit ছিল, 600 rupees, because at the rate ₹2 per unit. And process B, I have how much units? 140 units at the rate ₹5, so 700, right? Now what I can do, you see, in process A I have already entered, if you see that, maximum how much I am gaining. It's 100 units I am gaining. So you see, I have entered to normal loss account 100 units too. I will enter over here by abnormal gain account 100 units at the rate 2. I'm just transferring it. Okay. Now see, in process B you are incurring abnormal loss. Process B তে তুমি abnormal loss পাচ্ছিলে, এবং abnormal loss এ তোমার কোনো normal loss বা কিছু বলে আসে না. You don't take any normal loss or any other account, right? So here what I will do, I will take only the units. What is the units? Normal loss units in process B 140, right? And the scrap value was ₹5, so I will transfer the same by cash or debtors from process B. Okay, please keep thing in mind. I am taking from process B, nothing will come over here. I am just, as there is no gain, so I am not taking anything, I am just transferring the same, this one, as cash or debtors account. Now see, still there remains how much units? 240 means 200 units, and process A's scrap value rate is ₹2, right? Process A তে scrap value rate আমার 2 টাকা ছিল, তাহলে কি হবে? By cash or debtors, balancing figure at the rate ₹2 per unit means 200 units at the rate 2 means 400. So it is 1300. But here it is also 1300. So this is how you need to calculate the process costing account, and this is the total solution of the total problem. I hope if you go through the problem, if you revise that problem, you will understand. Thank you for patient hearing of this class. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you, students.